My mother came from Galicia and came from a little town called Husiaten. And one of the most precious documents we have is her original birth certificate, with a stamp on it, and with her mother's maiden name and all the signatures in real time. So we've kept that precious document for a long time. Since her birth was not registered in the town registry, because the Jews at that time had a problem with registration in that period of part of the world, and she was on the birth certificate. She is declared illegitimate, as many people were illegitimate, but her father, Itzhak Maya Sternschuss, shooting star Sternschuss, signed in the presence of two witnesses that he is the father of this child. But officially, she didn't exist as a legitimate child born and recorded in the town's logs.